We've all seen this WordPress login page with the logo powered by WordPress at the top. Well, I'm going to show you how you can swap that out with your own logo. It's pretty simple. First you're going to do is log in to the website. Then you're going to go to your plugins and you want to add a new plugin. And what you're going to do is search WordPress Login. And what you're going to find here is My WordPress Login Logo. It's pretty simple, straightforward. You can see that it's gotten lots of installs and good reviews. So you're going to click Install now. Once it's done installing, you're going to click Activate. Now that it's activated, what you want to find is on the left-hand side, you'll find the section for this, the settings for this plugin. You click on that. Now we're here. You have your logo, URL, and the link, which is to your website. And all you're going to do is swap out this image with your logo. Now the thing is that there is no clickable way to select the logo. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to want to go into your media library. We'll just open in a new tab. Inside the media library, you want to get the URL that starts with the WP-content. So in our media library, let's see if we can find the logo. Here it is. So here's the logo. We're going to click on the logo. When you click on the logo, and make sure you have your logo uploaded to your site and can do that. This is the URL we want right over here to swap it out with, the file URL. So we're going to go Control C. If you don't know, Control C is to copy and Control V is to paste. We're going to go back. And remember, if you want to add something to the library, you just go over here, Library, Add New, upload your logo. But if you're on your website, you should have your logo somewhere in the media library. So you're going to go back now to this plugin page. You're going to copy and paste your logo in there. I would take out these settings if you don't really need them. It's got the URL. You're going to click Update. Oh, I guess apparently you need to keep the valid width and height, so we'll keep that. Oh. Going to swap back out my logo. Keeping the logo width and height. Click Update. Now we have our current new logo. And so now if we log out, and now on our login page, we now have the new logo. Obviously you can tweak it and make it fit a little bit better, but this just gives you an idea of how to do it. And now this links back to your site as well.